Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I welcome you to my new amazing project Simple Music Player. So here we are going to make a very simple music player using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here we have a beautiful div and a beautiful image of the song, and here we have the title of the song. Here I have the artist of the song. Here I have the previous button. Here we have pause and next button, and then we have this previous button, sorry, next button. So when I click on next button, it will play the next song. So let's play it and check it our play and pause button. So we can see that it's working fine. So let's go on previous button. So you can see that it's working fine, and when I again click on pause button, play button, see, when I click on next button, it will play the next song. You can see that it's working fine. So before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. I'll bring many amazing projects like this. So come to our VS Code. So here we have our HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript file. So here in this I have taken the title, then I have taken the link tag, and we have linked our CSS file. So here we have a font awesome CDN for the fonts. Here you can see that play pause buttons for that. Then we have a body tag. In this we have a div with ID mobile device, and in this div we have a one more div with music player, and in this div we have a image tag with ID cover, and here src should be empty. So with the help of JavaScript we'll get the src here. So here we have a alternate L1 cover, means when our internet connection is poor, it's not showing our images for some any reasons, so it will show the this text album cover. So for that we are using L. So here now we have a h2 tag. Here in h2 tag we have a id with title and song title. Here we have a h3 tag with id artist and artist name. Then we have an audio tag. In this id audio, and here also src is empty, so we are going to get here source of the audio using JavaScript. Then we have a d with id controls, and here we have a previous, play and next button. Then out of this I have taken the script tag, in which we have linked our JavaScript file. So here now come for our CSS file. So in our CSS file we have a import our font family for our text. Then we have a body tag. In this we have a background beautiful color, which you can see here, beautiful background color. And then we have a font family, comforta and cursive, then pop-ins. So we have linked our fonts. So here we have a music player id. You can see here our id music player. So there we are going to target it. So for that we have a display flex direction column, align item center and justify content center. Then we have beautiful box shadow. Then we have background color and border radius 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel, width 19 rem, background white, margin left and margin top. So according to your needs you can customize it, how much height, width, color box shadow, anything you want to customize, you can customize. So here we have a controls id. So here you can see that we have a controls id. So for that we are going to target it. So display here also flags and justify content center. Then we have a width 200 pixel. Then we have a id cover. So where is our id cover? Here it is our id cover. So for that width and height 300 pixel. Then we have a class FAS. So I'll show you where is our class FAS. So here we have a for icons class FAS. So cursor here we have a take and pointer, and transition of the color is zero point 0.3 second, and then color of the text with this beautiful color code and a font size 1.rem. So when you hover on icons, the color changes to this color code. I'll show you here, and I hover on an icon, see that it's changing the color. See here. So you can here we have a one more id title. For our title, color of the text we have taken, then but margin bottom 0 and font size 1.2 rem. Then for our artist id we have a beautiful color of the text, margin top 0 and font size 0.1 rem. For fa user, color red. So you can customize your icons, hovering effects, any CSS property you can put it, and you can customize according to your needs. So come for a JavaScript file. So here is the main thing how it will work. So before that, here we have made our constants. Here we have a audio, cover, title, artist, play button, previous button, next button. We are going to get one by one with their IDs: audio, cover, title, artist, play, previous, next. Here we have taken the ID. Here previous, play, and artist, title. So one by one we are getting the ID, and we are storing in this constant. So now come for our, here we have a let with variable. Here is we are using array of an object. So we are going to make an array using object. So here we have a two object for our two songs. So for first object we have taken title, play date, and artist name effects, and cover path of the image. You can put the source file, and this source file will store in this src album cover. So here with this using id cover, it will give the source of the image of our song. So here we have a song path, and this song path source will get to this src file. So here we have one more object, and we have a different name of the song, artist name, image, and here we have a song name. So you can add more songs as needed. So now in initially we have a song index 0, means initially it will whatever the first song here we have played. So here this for this we have index 0, the first song. So this song will be default. So now we have a function load song, and it will load the song first song. So found in index 0 song, 0 position. So here we have this song. So for that song we have a title dot text content, and songs index dot title, means whatever song title we have taken, it will show the text of the title of the song according to the this first object. So it will store here. Now we are going to store the text content of the artist, cover path, and audio src of this first index. So initially here index is 0. So now we have a play song function. So here audio dot play, it's a very simple. You can get this audio dot play means for playing, and then we have play btn, and class list replace means we are going to replace when you play and pause, it's changing the icon. So let's see it's changing the icon play and pause. So for that initially when you click on play, it will uh, play, and the pause button will show. So when you go for pause function, audio dot pause, and our icon will replace with pause button with a play button. So when you click on pause button, icon will come to play button. So when I see, this is play button, so let's play. Now icon become pause button, so let's pause. So now icon become play button, so it will shuffle. So here we have a one more function, previous song. So for previous song index minus minus, so it will decrease the song by 1. When you click on page 1, when sound index less than 0, then sound length dot minus 1 means when we have a first song. Okay, so our song is at 0 index, so now it will go to minus 1. The minus is less than 0, so for that it will go to the last song. Means we have 5 songs, and we have at one first song position, we are playing that first song. When you go on previous button, it will go to the 5th song. Okay, so for that, then it will load the song using song index and play the song. So similarly for next song, we have a song index increased by 1, and when the song index greater than the song length, it will song index equal to 0. Means what will happen here. So here basically we are going, I have given example, we have a fifth song. Okay, so now here suppose we are playing the fifth song, the last song. So when you click on previous sorry next button, so it will go to the first song. Means song index 0 means it will go to the first song, because we have only 5 songs, we don't have 6 song, so it will go to the first song. So for that, and here we are loading song using song index and play song function. So we are loading the songs out of this block and getting the index and play one by one. So how it will work? So when you click on add event listener, what event will happen? It will identify and play the song according to the function we have given. Audio dot pause, play song, pause song. It will happen one by one. So play, pause, play, pause, play, pause. It will happen. So similarly for next button, previous song and next song function will work, and a user click on this button. So like that, we have created our beautiful music player using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So that's it for our code. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with a new amazing project. Thank you.